A powerful snowstorm has brought life to standstill across the northeast United States, with heavy snowfall affecting cities including New York, Boston, and Philadelphia since Monday. Some areas have recorded more than 2.5 feet snow. So far, around 7,500 flights has been cancelled. Rail service roads remain closed, causing major problems for residents. At least 7 states, including New York, have declared a state of emergency. More than 6 lakh homes and businesses are without power. School, colleges, the United Nations headquarters, and broad theaters have been closed. Many more flights are expected to be cancelled on Tuesday due to severe weather conditions.